Hello! Today I will show you how to enable or disable dark mode on your Samsung phone. Let's get started. So let's start from the home screen. First, find the Settings app with the gear icon and scroll down until you see the Display tab. Tap into it, and here, as you can see, you can tap just on the dark mode to turn it on, or on light mode to turn the dark mode off. Also, you can set automatic scheduling. Just go into the dark mode settings and you can set it for sunset to sunrise or do your own custom schedule. Also, you can try the Eye Comfort Shield for extra eye protection. And that's it. Now you know how to switch between light and dark mode on your Samsung phone. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.